Hey everybody, it's Josh Adams with Burly Explorers, heading up north to Lewiston, Michigan for my first actual bike packing trip. I'm looking forward to it, and I'll cut back in once we get ready to ride. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Josh Adams with Burly Explorers coming at you from a double chin from my first bike packing bike tour up in Lewiston, Michigan over to Mile. So come along with us. Hopefully we'll all have a good time together. So I would have been showing you videos right now of me eating an MRE and talking with commentation, but that didn't quite work out because the GoPro video wasn't having it. So these aren't in any particular order, but basically as you're going through this MRE, there's all kinds of meals. I believe there are 3,000 calories in total. You're supposed to take the entrees, warm them up as you see here, and then you get to eat some of the other stuff. There's the white bread with the cheese, not too bad, but you got to drink water with it to get it down, a little dry. But then you can go through all the things. They usually have some kind of snack crackers in there, an entree, which is, in this case, wasn't too good. It was a maple patty with some kind of gravy, and here I am sort of talking about how frustrated I am that I didn't stay out in the woods, but the grass was, 6 feet tall, 5 feet tall in a lot of places I wanted to camp. It ticks are really bad this year, so I wasn't really wanting to do that. But anyways, it was an overall great trip. I enjoyed being out there. The birds you heard at the beginning of the video are actually audio recordings that I took from one of my favorite places. Here you can see me spreading that cheese on because they're in no particular order. The bread's not too bad, the cheese isn't too bad, but if you weren't tired and you weren't super hungry, then you would be not enjoying what you're eating. Here's sort of a view of the outside of my parents' cabin, back to eating MREs, and that was not very good. That was the maple patty that I'm eating here. And then there's the dessert, which are always delicious. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to cut it here, and I'll leave you with some time lapses and some beautiful drone videos. Until then, catch you on the flip side.